Welcome to the ultimate 5-day detox plan designed to help you eliminate pesky belly bloat and reveal a slimmer, more confident version of yourself. In a world where fast food and sedentary lifestyles often take precedence, it's no wonder that many of us find ourselves struggling with digestive issues and unwanted weight gain. This comprehensive guide will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to detoxify your body, boost your metabolism, and shed those extra pounds for good. Whether you're looking to kickstart a new health regimen or simply want to feel lighter and more energized, this plan is the perfect solution. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the details to make the most of the next 5 days. Day 1. Prepare and purify. The first day of the detox is all about preparation and purification. Start by drinking a large glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon juice and a pinch of cayenne pepper. This concoction is a powerful metabolism booster and will help cleanse your system. For breakfast, opt for a green smoothie made with spinach, banana, avocado, and apple. This nutrient-dense drink is packed with fiber and will keep you full until lunchtime. Throughout the day, drink at least 8 glasses of water to stay hydrated and aid in the flushing of toxins. Lunch should be a light salad with mixed greens, cucumber, tomato, and a lean protein such as grilled chicken or salmon. Top it with a homemade dressing made from olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice to keep things simple and clean. Dinner is a cup of homemade vegetable broth, which will help to soothe your digestive system and prepare it for the detox ahead. Avoid processed foods, caffeine, alcohol, and sugars today, as they can slow down the detox process. Day 2. The Juice Fast. Day 2 is a juice fasting day. This means you will consume only fresh, organic juices made from a variety of fruits and vegetables. This will give your digestive system a break and allow your body to focus on cleansing and detoxifying. Begin the day with a green juice made from kale, cucumber, celery, and apple. For mid-morning and afternoon snacks, enjoy a refreshing carrot apple ginger juice to keep your energy levels up. Lunch and dinner should consist of a beetroot, carrot, and ginger juice, which is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Remember to drink plenty of water in between juices to stay hydrated and aid in digestion. Day 3. The water and fiber focus. On the third day, we're going to focus on water and fiber to help eliminate any remaining toxins and reduce belly bloat. Start the day with a glass of warm water and a tablespoon of chia seeds, which will expand in your stomach and keep you feeling full. For breakfast, have a serving of overnight oats with berries, which are high in fiber and antioxidants. For lunch, enjoy a hearty serving of quinoa salad with mixed vegetables and a light lemon tahini dressing. This will provide you with essential nutrients and keep your digestive system moving. Dinner should be a simple meal of steamed or grilled vegetables with a side of lentil soup. The high fiber content of lentils will help to cleanse your system and reduce bloating. Day 4. The protein and probiotic day. Protein and probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy gut and metabolism. Begin the day with a protein-packed breakfast of Greek yogurt with a handful of nuts and berries. For lunch, have a serving of grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and brown rice. This meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and promote weight loss. Snack on a handful of raw, unsalted almonds or a small serving of plain Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon in the afternoon to keep your metabolism firing. Finish the day with a kale and bean salad, topped with a probiotic-rich dressing made from plain yogurt and apple cider vinegar. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy gut flora, which can help reduce bloating and aid in digestion. Day 5. The reintroduction phase. Congratulations, you've made it to the final day of the detox. The goal of Day 5 is to reintroduce whole foods into your diet gently while keeping the focus on lean proteins and healthy fats. Start the day with a poached egg on a bed of spinach and half an avocado. For lunch, enjoy a cup of bone broth with a side of roasted sweet potato and chicken. For dinner, treat yourself to a meal of grilled chicken, roasted asparagus, and a small serving of brown rice. Remember to chew your food thoroughly and eat slowly to aid in digestion. Snack on raw veggies like carrots and bell peppers with a dip made from hummus or almond butter to keep you satisfied between meals. Additional tips and tricks. 1. Stay active. Exercise is a key component of any detox plan. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day, such as walking, yoga, or swimming. 2. Get enough sleep. ensure that you're getting at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. This will help your body repair and regenerate cells more effectively. 3. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing, or a relaxing bath to support your body's natural detoxification processes. 4. Avoid carbonated drinks. Fizzy drinks can cause gas and bloating, so stick to water, herbal teas, and fresh juices during your detox. 5. Incorporate herbs. Add herbs like mint, ginger, and fennel to your meals and drinks for their natural digestive benefits. 6. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to how much you're eating and the way food makes you feel. This can help prevent overeating and discomfort. 7. Listen to your body. If you feel faint or unwell, it's okay to adjust the plan to suit your needs. The goal is to feel better, not worse. Conclusion: congratulations on completing the 5-day detox plan. By now, you should be feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Remember, detoxing isn't a quick fix but rather a stepping stone to a healthier lifestyle. To maintain your newfound slimness, focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive attitude towards self-care. Incorporate the principles of this plan into your everyday life, and you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term weight loss and optimal health. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise regimen to ensure it's right for you. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.